Welcome! The final part of Dave's Cooking Show Christmas Spectacular. And it's fitting we're going to do a little turkey dinner for Christmas. What you got here is you got about a 13, 14, 15 pound bird that I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on, a little bit of pepper. Not too much seasoning. I want this bird. This is what I'm doing. It's a real simple turkey. Anybody can do this. And then you just want to pop this into a 300-degree oven until it's 165. But I'm going to let it cook like this for the first hour, and I'll show you what we're going to do about every half hour after that. All right. Okay. As you can see, the bird has been roasting along. By the way, if your oven does have a roast setting, I do highly recommend it. And then about every hour, 45 minutes, you're going to want to baste this bird with butter. And like I said, keep it up every half an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And then you just want to cook this bird till it reads 170 in the breast. Once the breast has reached that temperature, every other part of the turkey is done. All right. So while the turkey cooks and we baste, let's make some mashed potatoes. All right, let's do some mashed potatoes. As you can see here, I've got about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes that I chopped up, or roughly chopped up, and I'm going to boil them till they're nice, soft, and tender. Takes about, 10, 15 minutes, something like that. Okay, as you can see here, our potatoes are done. They're nice, soft, and tender. We need about a cup of buttermilk. And some salt and pepper. And then just grab a hand mixer and whip these all up. I did sneak a couple tablespoons of butter in there as well. About 3 tablespoons. Optional. Again, it's how fatty you want the potatoes. But remember, Christmas. Don't worry about the diet. All right, as you can see here, our turkey is done. Now we're just going to rest it for a little bit. I don't go with Gordon Ramsay's advice of how long you cook it is how long you rest it. But I'm going to let it rest for about 45 minutes or so. Don't worry, we're going to pour piping hot gravy on it. It'll bring it back up to temp. And as you can see there, I got my gravy on my turkey and my mashed potatoes. The stuffing is, I cheated. It's stovetop stuffing, but I like stovetop stuffing. Go sue me. So the last thing to do is a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper on it over everything. One last little bit of seasoning. And thus ends the 2024 Christmas Spectacular. And as Tiny Tim once said, God bless us, everyone. And as I like to say, Merry Christmas.